San Francisco's deadliest year ever for drug overdoses, and the new way to solve the crisis may be lurking in the city's wastewater. Good evening. Thank you for joining us. I'm Dan Ashley.
And I'm Ama Dates. This number of overdose deaths is a staggering number to try to process, and it's important to remember each one is a valuable life lost. Tonight, city officials say it can all be tied to fentanyl.
Here's a look at the numbers. The city's original peak was hit in 2020. 726 people died from overdoses in the city.
This year's number, total through November, is 752 deaths. Still 2 weeks to go. And of the fatal overdoses, the city says fentanyl played a role in more than 80% of them. It's an issue plaguing cities across the country, but especially impactful to the city's quality of life here at home. So tonight we want to spend a little extra time on this topic, the fentanyl crisis, as tonight's ABC 7 News Deep Dive at 11. ABC 7 News reporter J.R. Stone starts with the city's new tactic to fight it.
So far this year, 752 people have died from drug overdoses in San Francisco. More than 80% of those cases believed to have involved fentanyl, according to officials.
We have seen record number of deaths due to overdose in San Francisco in 2023, or likely to.
If you live here in San Francisco, your wastewater is now being tested for illicit drugs, including fentanyl and tranq. But don't worry, no individual tracking is being done.
San Francisco is specifically testing for fentanyl, methamphetamine, amphetamine, cocaine, and xylazine.
We expect the data to help us assess trends, increases or decreases, as a way to predict what we might see in terms of both non-fatal overdoses and fatal overdoses.
The wastewater surveillance program here in San Francisco just started this month and is part of a federal study by the National Institute of Drug Abuse. San Francisco is one of 70 cities involved. Thursday night, a vigil was held in San Francisco for those unhoused individuals who lost their lives on the streets in 2023. While not all died of drug overdoses, this chart shows that nearly 1/3 of all drug overdose deaths in San Francisco this year involve those living on the streets with no home address, meaning many of the people listed here died from drug overdoses.
Drugs in general are an escape for people, and so anything we can do to minimize what's happening here will make the number of people that we're remembering tonight probably shorter.
While wastewater will be tested in these cities, the tests are limited, as they won't actually tell you which illicit drugs are problematic in which neighborhoods. And some would argue we already know these drugs are a problem in San Francisco. But San Francisco's Department of Health says recognizing trends can help with better drug prevention, and that is something that can save lives.
Allowing us to act faster when emerging substances like xylazine are increasing in the local drug supply.
The wastewater testing program is scheduled to end in late August of 2024. J.R. Stone, ABC 7 News.